Today, let's talk about cauliflower. Now, before you turn your nose up, there are so many great things I want to tell you about cauliflower. Not just about how amazingly nutritious it is, but how wonderful and versatile it can be in the kitchen. Hello, my name is Shelly, and I am a certified nutrition chef, teaching you, the everyday home cook, how to incorporate healthier recipes into your meals for you and your family. So let's talk about cauliflower, shall we? Cauliflower is in the cruciferous family. You're like, what is that, Shelly? Cruciferous is your rough and tough vegetables. And the reason they're so good for us, lots of reasons, but the main reason they're loaded with fiber. So cauliflower is a really good source of fiber. I talk about fiber a lot because as in the standard American diet, none of us are getting enough fiber in our diet. That's why we have so many problems with our colons and with our digestive and with, IBS, and we're not getting enough fiber to clean out our digestive tract. And I'm not talking about getting fiber from that powder that you put in a drink. You need to be getting it from natural sources. Fiber-rich foods are going to help your digestive tract. Take your food and go like this down your digestive tract and remove the waste and absorb the nutrients so your body's getting all the nutrients. So fiber is super important. Let's get back to the cauliflower, which has a lot of fiber. Cauliflower also is very high in vitamin C. Most people think vitamin C, oranges, which is great, but there's a vitamin C in a lot of fruits and vegetables, and cauliflower is one of them. Especially in the winter, we need to be going extra high in our consumption of vitamin C-rich foods to keep our immune systems strong. It also has vitamin K. Vitamin K, you're like, what does that do, Shelly? It helps clot the blood. So that's kind of important. And it also is really good for our bone health. So it's really important to keep our bones strong, especially as we age. Cauliflower is loaded with vitamin K. The culinary flexibility with cauliflower is pretty much endless. You can mash it. Instead of doing potatoes, do cauliflower. You can turn it into cauliflower rice. You take a head of cauliflower, you chop it into big chunks, you put it in a food processor, you pulse, 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 and you have cauliflower rice. You can put it in a salad. You can boil it. You can roast it. There's so many. You can roast a whole head. You can make cauliflower steaks. It is endless. So if you want some cauliflower recipes, always head to my website. Check out all of my social media. I am here to encourage you and show you that healthy eating does not have to be complicated, expensive, or time-consuming. So tell me below, what are you going to do with cauliflower this week?